Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you that I just uploaded a brand new video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, so you don't want to miss out on any of my content, because like I said, I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also, if there's a thumbs up that's right underneath the video, if you take a second, it really helps on my growth on the YouTube platform. If you're enjoying my content, when you come in, please take a second to give me that thumbs up. It does make a difference on the YouTube platform. All right, today we are going to be going through my lost bag that finally showed up from my IPSY, I think it's December, bags that I get from IPSY. This one has been all over the place, but I'm happy that she finally showed up. This is the bag that it came in, and that's how we know what month this is from, because this is that type of Sherpa type of fabric that they used in the month of December, and this is the bag that we get. So like I said, I'm excited to get this. It's probably items that you've already seen, but for me, this is all new, so I want to make sure to share with you guys, because this channel is about the information about the products, not so much that this bag got lost. So let's look at some of the products that I picked, and then the ones that got picked for me from IPSY. The first item that I picked was from artist Couture, and I have been enjoying his products. This is really small, but it's mighty, and I'm really happy to get it. The color that I was able to choose is in his Plush Pout, and it's in the color called Shameless. And they said that it is your new wear it everywhere lip color for the winter months. It is a soft dusty rose shade. It's super flattering and ultra versatile, and it can be worn from day to night or when you want to feel low-key or ultra glam. Get all of the shine without the stick. This is a non-tacky gloss, feels practically weightless on your lips. It has a fresh, cooling sensation and gives the appearance of a fuller, plumper looking lift. You can wear it sheer or just a few swipes, or really layered on for more intense coverage and color. About the brand, this is founded by a celebrity makeup artist and beauty influencer. His name is Angel Marino, and he created this artiste couture line to inspire self-expression and celebrate individuality through makeup and artistry. So he's saying that this is a precision teardrop applicator, and you can swipe the gloss all over your lips, and it looks like it's really small, but it looks like it's exactly what he said, that teardrop. So let's do a swipe here. Oh, it is very luxurious and very opaque, and this is a little bit will go a long way. It's almost like the one swipe, even if the applicator is that small. It's unbelievable. Really, really pretty and feels very luxurious. All right, the next item that I got was a full-size brush, which I love when full-size brushes show up in the $12 bag. And this is what it looks like here. And it is from this brand called Beau, Gachis. It says it's an IPSY exclusive limited edition tapered highlighter brush. And they're saying that it is an IPSY exclusive. It says, we were obviously born to shine. This glow building brush will help you make it happen. You can use it with all your favorite formulas, from powders to creams to liquids or even gels. The dome-shaped bristles are perfect for illuminating your cheekbones, your cupid's bow, the tip of your nose, and the brow bones, basically anywhere that you want to shine. Have a brush with the kindness. This fluffy beauty has a synthetic bristle, so it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. They're saying this is full size, and the value is $15.95. This brand means beautiful mess in French, and was founded by a busy mother of two. The brand strives to design and create high-quality products that are accessible to everyone and everywhere. These little components that are found on usually higher end lines, they used to call this years ago like a bra for your brushes, and it's something that I always keep because they sell these individually, that after you finish washing your brushes, if you simply, I just wanted to feel bristles of the brush, and it's just beautiful. And it is definitely one that is nice to use for highlighters, or even just to dust away the banana powder underneath your eyes. Really beautiful. But every time I wash my type of brushes, and it came with this type of component, I will put it on like this, so it keeps the bristles exactly where you want them to be, and they're also fantastic to travel with. A little extra tip. The next item that we got is from this brand called Cela. And Cela, this is a brand that I actually replenished in the $3 section when the hand creams came out. I was really impressed with them. There's also a promo code on this was IPSY20 that you can get 20% discount on your order if you order it, I guess, from the Cela website. And they're saying this is every time you slather on this velvety cream, you're treating your hands and your body to an intense moisture and your nose to a relaxing lavender scent. It has antioxidants, it has kapuku butter, and it has an oil that is exactly what you need to soften your skin and get rid of any rough patches or flakes. If your skin is feeling itchy or looking red, this ultra soothing oatmeal in this moisturizer will help calm things down. There's an all-natural cruelty-free formula, and it's good for you and your furry friends as well. About the brand, they're saying it was inspired by and made in Canada, and Cela is the first Canadian luxury skincare line to harness the natural power of the northern botanicals. Every Cela product is expertly crafted around the purest and most precision plant ingredients from across the country. So like I said, was so impressed with this. I didn't know this was a Canadian brand. I'm literally getting introduced to it while I'm here in the States, but I didn't even know about it in Canada. So it did come with a safety seal. It does have that faint lavender scent that is the nice type of lavender, where it's just a very relaxing scent. This is reminding me, if you ever take the baths with Dr. Teal's, it's that type of scent of lavender. Yeah, that's what it smells like to me. Very nice. All right, the next item that I received, and that's a nice size for, you know, to be put in a sample bag. The next item is from First Aid Beauty, and this is fantastic. This brand, I have been impressed with every product that I've had the opportunity to try, and I got introduced to this brand and learned about it on QVC, where I used to buy the kits of 5 and 6 full-size items. So when we get a chance to try any new products from their brand, I get really excited. This is a 5-in-1 bouncy mask. They're saying it is the perfect treatment to prep your skin before a big event or a rehab skin after a night out. It says it is a multitasking mask that instantly improves the look of your skin in 5 ways. It can nourish, calm, firm, plump, and refine. And that says it will do it all in 10 minutes. It's so easy to use. It is a smart gel texture that molds to the contours of your face for a mess-free application. It's packed with anti-aging ingredients like botanicals, rose extract, vitamin C to brighten your skin and minimize the appearance of fine lines and refine the pores. First Aid Beauty was created as a variety of products that meet everyone's personal needs. It's an innovative brand that offers effective feel-good solutions from head to toe, and is essential for all skin types. If you apply this mask to clean, moist skin, avoiding the eye area, you only have to leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse with warm water. There's no safety seal on here. We're just going to take a little bit out so we can see what the consistency is of the product, if I can. I'm having trouble getting anything out, so give me a sec. Yeah, nothing's coming out of the tube. I'm going to have to play with this with, there might be a seal on here that I'm not seeing. Yeah, I can't get anything out of this. So I will play with it, and if I still have any problems with it, I will definitely be writing to IPSY to tell them that I got a defective product. This was so late, I don't even know if they'll... Anyways, we'll take care of this off camera. All right, the next item that I received is an eyeshadow from this brand called Maelle, and this is what this looks like here. And this one is called the Enchanted Eyeshadow Collection, single in Quartz. And they're saying this is a romantic, playful, pretty for every occasion. It is a gorgeous shimmery lilac shadow with an icy pink undertone with instantly light up your makeup looks. Whether you use your finger or a shadow brush, this highly pigmented formula blends out and builds up with ease. There's no fallout here. It is a finely milled powder that the pigments feel super soft and won't crease or cake on your eyelids. You'll love it as an all-over shadow, but it's also perfect for highlighting your inner corner of your eyes and adding dimension into the center of your lids, which is what I love doing. And they're saying this brand aims to modernize luxury beauty. Their commitment to high quality ingredients and formulas with gorgeous packaging minus the intimidation factor. In their world, beauty is about connecting, not competing. So that's what that looks like here. And that's how beautiful this looks like here. And it feels very, very finely milled. And it is just beautiful. And we'll do a little swatch of it over here. It's very, very light. And I'll try to just dab it like this. And that's what that looks like there. Really, really pretty. See how the light catches it? You'll see all the dimension. Really, really pretty. So that's everything that I got in my December bag. There are a couple of winners in here that I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try. So even when something comes late, it's still us introducing ourselves to products that we wouldn't have had the opportunity otherwise to use. So we got the Artist Couture, we got a beautiful brush, we got a Canadian hand cream, we got a mask that I'm going to have to play with to try to get it out of the tube, and a beautiful eyeshadow palette. And of course, we got this really unique bag. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. Please share with me if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, and if any of you got this item as well, and if you also had some problems with getting it out of the package, I would love to know that as well. All right. As always, it is so important during this time that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.